Good morning, children. Children, I am going to read a story for you, and you have to listen to it very carefully and think why you are not able to understand it properly. Here goes the story. Long ago, Parrot and Woodpecker were going on a journey. At sunset. They were tired and found a tall tree to rest. They immediately started to build a safe place to spend the night. Woodpecker went tap tap tapping, making a round hole in the trunk of the tree, while Parrot made a cozy nest using grass. Children, did you understand anything in this story? I don't think so. Children, you must be thinking why our teacher is reading a story like this. Children, this happened since there were no punctuation marks. As there were no punctuation marks, so I was reading the story in that manner. Now the question arises, what are punctuation marks? Punctuation marks are symbols that are used to organize group of words into sentences to make the meaning more clear. The main punctuation marks are full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, quotation marks, and capital letters. First of all, let us study about a full stop. A full stop represents the longest pause. For example, the boys are going out, full stop. They will be back soon, full stop. A full stop is used after titles before names. Example, Mr. full stop Khurana, Mrs. full stop Rawat. A full stop is used after letters standing for names of persons. Example, M full stop K full stop Gandhi, C full stop V full stop Raman. The second punctuation mark is comma. A comma is the shortest pause. Comma is used between items in a list. For example, I brought sweets, comma, biscuits, comma, fruits and coffee. Comma is used when we use someone's name in a sentence. For example, Rajesh, comma, be happy. Be happy, comma, Rajesh. Comma is also used to separate nouns that come together. For example, I invited Suzanne, comma, James, comma, Alex, comma, Subhankar and Govind to my birthday party. Comma is also used to separate the words put in quotation marks. For example, he said, comma, God is everywhere. Second, we are going out, comma, said mother. Comma is also used before the words please and thank you when these words come at the end of a sentence. For example, could you open the window, comma, please. Second example, would you like some tea? No, comma, thank you. Children, today you have learnt about two punctuation marks. They are full stop and comma. Now, revise them properly.